Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text into Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the sample steps. So basically the first thing would be is like to start a new project so you can add your projects. And after that you will be needing like just to add some stock footage to your or some content to your timeline so you can be able like to edit your videos. And from there you will be able like to add text, images, and whatever you like. So basically, in my case, I'm using like the desktop version of Filmora. And whether you are using like the web version or the mobile version, it will be the same. All you will be needing to do is like to go to the time or the exact time when you want to add like text. And from here, you will find like quick text. And from there, you can like click on add quick text. As you can see, you will be able like to add text. Otherwise, you can go to titles, and from here you will find like a mini type of text that you can download and add to your uh, video. So I'm just going to stick with this quick text, and I'm just going to add text here, and basically it will be showing. If I go here, as you can see, now it's showing on the timeline, and basically you will be needing like to edit it on the timeline or on the project preview, and I'm just going like that. You can type whatever you like hello, and basically you will be able to go to the text, and from here you can give it effects, you can give it a color, you can do whatever you like within your text, and basically that's it. So you will have many options like to edit or to customize your text for, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.